Health benefits of eating watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that contains only 46 calories per cup but is high in vitamin C, vitamin A and many healthy plant compounds. Watermelon is a flowering plant species of the Cucurbitaceae family. A scrambling and trailing vine-like plant, it was originally domesticated in Africa. It is a highly cultivated fruit worldwide with more than 1,000 varieties. Helps you hydrate. Drinking water is an important way to keep your body hydrated. However, eating foods that have a higher water content can also help. Interestingly, watermelon is 92% water. The combination of water and fiber means you are eating a good volume of food without a lot of calorie. Contains nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. Watermelon is one of the lowest in calories, only 46 calories per cup on 54 grams. That is lower than even low sugar fruits such as berries. 1 cup, 154 grams of watermelon has many other nutrients. Vitamin C, 21% of the reference daily intake RDI. Vitamin A, 18% of the RDI. Potassium, 5% of the RDI. Magnesium, 4% of the RDI. Vitamin B1, B5 and B6, 3% of the RDI. Watermelon is also high in carotenoids including beta-carotene and lycopene. It has citrulline, an important amino acid. Watermelon's most important antioxidants, vitamin C. It is an antioxidant that helps prevent cell damage from free radicals. Carotenoids. Carotenoids are a class of plant compounds that includes alpha-carotene and beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Lycopene. Lycopene is a type of carotenoid that doesn't change into vitamin A. This potent antioxidant gives a red color to plant foods and is linked to many health benefits. Cucurbitaceae E. Cucurbitaceae E is a plant compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Contains compounds that may help prevent cancer. Lycopene and other individual plant compounds in watermelon is known for their anti-cancer effects. It appears to reduce cancer risk by lowering insulin-like growth factor IGF, a protein involved in cell division. High IGF levels are linked to cancer. Cucurbitaceae E has been investigated for its ability to inhibit tumor growth too. Improve heart health. Lycopene may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It can also help prevent oxidative damage to cholesterol. In obese, postmenopausal women and Finnish men, lycopene may also reduce the stiffness and thickness of artery wall. Watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that may increase nitric oxide levels in the body. Nitric oxide helps your blood vessels expand, which lowers blood pressure. Other vitamins and minerals in watermelon are also good for your heart. These include vitamin A, B6, C, magnesium and potassium. Lowers inflammation and oxidative stress. Watermelon may help lower inflammation and oxidative damage as it is rich in the anti-inflammatory antioxidants lycopene and vitamin C. As an antioxidant, lycopene may also benefit brain health. For example, it may help delay the onset and progression of Alzheimer's disease. May help prevent macular degeneration. Lycopene is found in several parts of the eye where it helps protect against oxidative damage and inflammation. It may also prevent age-related macular degeneration (AMD). This is a common eye problem that can cause blindness in older adults. Lycopene's role as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound may help prevent AMD from developing and getting worse. Help relieve muscle soreness. Citrulline, an amino acid in watermelon, may reduce muscle soreness. Watermelon juice appears to enhance the absorption of citrulline. Studies have proved that citrulline absorption is most effective when it is consumed as a component of watermelon juice. Good for skin and hair. 2 vitamins in watermelon, A and C, are important for skin and hair health. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, a protein that keeps your skin supple and your hair strong. Vitamin A is also important for healthy skin since it helps create and repair skin cells. Both lycopene and beta carotene may also help protect your skin from sunburn. Improves digestion. Watermelon contains loads of water and a small amount of fiber, both of which are important for healthy digestion. Eating water-rich and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, including watermelon, can be very helpful for promoting normal bowel movements. The bottom line: watermelon is a surprisingly healthy fruit. It has a high water content and also delivers many other important nutrients, including lycopene and vitamin C. These nutrients mean that watermelon isn't only a tasty, low-calorie treat, it is also very good for your health. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.